Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to unbox power bank by Ronin. It's from the Ronin company. It is actually a Pakistani based tech company, and I have been using this power bank for more than 2 or 3 months. So these are the features that are being highlighted. It has a 1 year warranty, and on the back cover we are having the company's social media pages and the specification of uh, power bank. So it's a 10,000 mAh power bank. So let's unbox it. So here is the first look, and when we open this box we are having few instruction manuals. So here is the instruction manual in which all things are written. So here are the instructions that how you can use this power bank to for efficient charging. So let's again open it. Let me set my camera. So here was a warranty card, and it's a warranty card, and you can claim your warranty anytime anywhere in Pakistan. Its warranty is available all across the cities in Pakistan. So here is the first look of our power bank. It is black in color. It actually comes only in black color. So here is the first look. It's too much beautiful. Since I have been using this power bank, so it might be getting dirty. So here is the USB charging cable in white color. I don't know why they don't have given us the cable in black color. They should must provide the cable in the same matching color of black. So it's okay. It's of high quality, not too much bad. It is standard USB cable 2.0. So on the back we are having the card of the seller. So let's leave it, and let me give you a first look at the power bank. And so here is the switch on the top side of the power bank. Here we are having the USB cable 2.0 C and Type C, and also for the iPhone phones we are having the cable of iPhone or the Apple phones too. So here is again the specification, the back cover of the power bank. It's by Ronin, and all are the information given. USB, micro USB, USB 2.0, 2 ampere, Type C, everything is given. So you don't have to check out or put all the cables to check with which kind or which sort of cable is that. So all the instructions have been clearly mentioned. Let's pull out this cable. It's micro USB 2.0, and the second pin is for the iPhones. This power bank also supports the fast charging 3.0, so you don't have to worry about the fast charging because it supports. And here is the Type C cable, which are usually being installed and are pulled into the Android phones by Samsung, Nokia, Redmi, Xiaomi, Huawei, etc. There are many phones, even including the Motorola ZTC, HTC. So here is the first display showing that our power bank is 100% on a charge. So when it is fully charged, it would show you the 100%. Otherwise, 99, and it is 100 units of segment display. It would just give the strength of your power bank ranging from 0 to 100. It's currently fully charged, so you don't have to charge it again. You can charge this power bank via any uh, charger. And so here is the first test. I'm just showing to tell that how this power bank actually my light has been turned on. So let me give a second to turn it again on. So we have to press the button, and after pressing the button the light will get automatically on. So this is how it's working. I hope you should have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.